Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Kartra landing pages. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a video into your Kartra landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a video into your Kartra landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that testimonials are really important for conversion, and maybe you want to add a video testimonial. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home page. Now, in order to add a video into one of your Kartra landing pages, go ahead and click on Pages here on the left. All right, once you do that, you'll see all of the landing pages you have with Kartra. I just have this one. So you want to click on these three dots next to it and then click on Edit. After you click on Edit, you want to click on this blue Edit button. Okay, next it's going to bring you to the editor in Kartra. So here's where we can go ahead and add a video. So first thing you want to do is kind of scroll through your landing page and determine a general area that you want the video to show up. So for example, let's see here, maybe I want to have it above my contact form. And next what you're going to do is click on Components here on the left. Once you click on Components, you want to look for this button here called Videos. If you don't see it for some reason, don't worry, just click on the search bar and type in Videos and then enter. Okay, then it's going to bring up the different video options. So just kind of look through and then see which one applies to you. You can see they're pretty close, but they're actually a little different depending on the border. So let's see, this one kind of looks like it has a little shadow down here. I kind of like that. So all you're going to do now is you're just going to grab the video player and just drag it over to the general area. And then you're going to see these orange boxes. So just choose where you want to drop it. So for me, I'll put it up above this. And then when you hover over the orange box, it's going to turn green, and that means you can drop it. And there you go. So let me move myself out of the way. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and add the video in. So what you're going to do is click on this pencil icon when you hover over the video. Okay, so you have a couple of different ways that you can add a video into your Kartra landing page. Probably the simplest and easy way is go ahead and just click on YouTube, and then you can paste in a YouTube video. You can also paste in a Vimeo link and also Wistia. I've never actually used Wistia. I'm not sure what that is. Now, if you want to upload it and host it on Kartra, you can do that as well. Just clicking here, and then you'll just select the video from your computer and upload it into your Kartra. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use YouTube, and I'm going to grab this video. Okay, so if you're going to be using YouTube, it doesn't necessarily need to be your video. It can be anyone's video as long as it has the share button right here. And then you're just going to copy this link. Okay, let me go back to Kartra. Okay, so now all you're going to do is just paste it right in there and then click on Apply. Okay, so now we have a video in our Kartra landing page, as you can see right there, but you're not actually finished until you click on Actions and then Publish Live. Okay, now it's publishing. Okay, next you'll see this confirmation. So once you see this confirmation, that means that anyone who lands on that particular landing page in Kartra will see that video that we put there. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video into your Kartra landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.